Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I have done in my previous video till question number 4 and I hope you all have understood till question number 4 and I hope you liked that video also. So today we will continue exercise 1.3 only because some of questions are still left. So I am going to solve that, but before that you just subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you know any of your friend who is also in the school where CBSE syllabus they are following, so share this video to them also so that they may do their work, because in this critical time all should help each other. So let us start with question number fifth. A part I am going to do 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now if you see in the question, it is given find the product using suitable properties. So I have told you so many properties of integers, multiplicative properties we have discussed, and I have discussed in my earlier videos also. So one of the property was distributive property. Now if you see in this question, minus 48 is common. So I am going to take minus 48 as common. What will left behind between these two? 26, and plus sign you will write as it is, and then from second part means second term, what is left behind? Minus 36. We will close this bracket. Then minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36, plus minus will become minus, answer will be minus 10. Now minus 48 into minus 10 will be minus, minus will become plus, 48 into 10 will be 480. I hope you all have understood. Now B part. B part is 8 into 53 into minus 125. So you need to see that which two number we should multiply so that the multiplication will be easy for us. So if you see 8 into 125 is 1000. So what I am going to do, 53 I am going to write outside, and inside I am writing 8 into minus 125, because we have to multiply these two numbers first. So now 53 will remain outside, 8 into minus 125 will become minus 1000. 53 into minus 1000, it is very easy for you, 53,000, and which sign you will put? Minus sign. 8 into 125 is 1000. So your answer is minus 53,000. Now C part. C part is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Now in this question, if you see 25 into minus 4 is how much? 100. 25 into 4 is 100. So what we can do, that 15 into, we can write this together in a bracket, minus 25 into minus 4 we are multiplying together, and minus 10 is outside. So 15 into 25 into 4 is 100, minus minus will become plus. So 15 into 100 into minus 10, or you can multiply these two now together. So 15 into 100 into minus 10 will be minus 1000. So 15 into minus 1000 is how much? Minus 15,000. I hope these questions are clear to you. If not, kindly ask me in the comment section and in online classes. Then D, minus 41 into 102. Now 102 we can separate, we can write it separately. That 100 plus 2 also we can write. So minus 41 will remain same, and 102 we can write 100 plus 2. Again applying distributive property, minus 41 into 100, 41 into first term plus minus 41 into 2 second term. This is in one bracket, I hope distributive property is clear to you all, that is A into B plus C. If you remember, A into B plus A into C. This I have told you in the properties classes. Understood? So minus 41 into 100 is minus 4100, plus this minus 41 into 2 will become minus, how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, minus 82. Now both the numbers are in minus, and I told you that minus minus will become plus. So minus, add these two number and sign will remain minus. So 4182. I hope these questions are clear to you, these solutions are clear to you. Note down this much in your copy, then we will move further. Now E part is 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Now if you see, 625 is there in both the parts. Understood? So I am going to write 625 as common. What will remain inside from the first term? Minus 35. Then this plus sign. What will remain inside? This minus sign, because I have not taken minus common. So this minus will remain here. This you can write that 625 into minus 1. So 625 I have taken common. What is remaining inside? Minus 1 into 65, that is minus 65. I hope this is clear to you. Then 625 minus 35 plus minus 65, both the integers are negative, so we will add them, and which sign we will put? Minus sign. So 35 plus 65 is 100, minus sign. So this will be minus 62500. 62,500 is your answer. Now F part is 7 into 50 minus 2. Now if you see, again we have to use distributive property. What was that property? A into B plus C, or A into, I told you second property also, that A into B minus C. So what we write? A into B minus A into C. First we multiply A with B, then we multiply A with C. Understood? The same property we will use here. So 7 into 50, first we will multiply 7 and 50, minus sign, then 7 into 2. So 7 into 50 is 350, 7 into 2 is 14. So 350 minus 14 is how much? 336. Now question number G part, question number 5th G part, minus 17 into minus 29. How we can do this? Again we can write minus 17 into 20, minus 20 we can write minus 20 minus 9. Understood? Because minus 20 minus 9 is minus 29. Again we can apply distributive property, minus 17 into minus 20, then this minus sign, minus 17 into 9. This is the distributive property. First we are multiplying with 20, second we are multiplying with 9. This minus sign, because I am writing here only, that is why I have not written along with the 9. So minus 17 into minus 20 is how much? 340, because minus minus will become plus, and this minus sign I am writing here only, and minus 17 into 9 is how much? Minus 153. So this will become 340, minus minus will become plus 153. So this is how much? 493. I hope this question is clear to you all, because I have written 29, I have written minus 20 and minus 9, then I have multiplied with minus 17 into minus 20. Because this minus sign I have written outside, that is why I am multiplying with plus 9. Understood? So this is how this will be solved. Then H part, that is the last part of this question, minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So 57 we can write as 57 into, now the last part in this 57 minus 57, you can write 57 into minus 1, is it so? Into minus 19. Then plus 57, you can write also 57 into 1, because when you will multiply with 1, there will be no change. So that is why, and minus sign is there, that is why I have multiplied with minus 1. Now I am going to take 57 common from both the terms. What do you mean by terms? When we separate it with positive sign. So 57 I have taken out. What is remaining inside? Minus 1 into minus 19 is remaining inside from this part, and from this part 1 is remaining inside. So 57 minus 1 into minus 19 is how much? Plus 19. 19 ones are 19, and minus minus will become plus, and plus 1. So this will become 57 into 20. 57 into 20, this will be how much? Multiply this, 1140. So with this we have completed question number 5. All the parts I have solved around 8 parts. So note down this in your copy. I hope you all have understood, and if you have understood, practice it again and again. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. In my next video, I will solve next questions of exercise 1.3 only. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Have a nice day.